This video is on Standard A REI B3, solve linear equations and inequalities in one variable, including equations with coefficients represented by letters. This video is on literal equations. When solving literal equations, our goal is to solve the equation for the designated letter. This means we are reorganizing our equation. You will still have letters in your answer. Our first example is to solve P equals IRT for T. So our goal is to get this T by itself. In order to do that, we need to cancel out the I and the R. I, R, and T are all letters right up next to each other, so that means they are multiplying. To cancel out multiplying by IR, we're going to divide both sides by IR. It will cancel out on the right, and we'll be left with P divided by I, R equals T. T is now by itself. This problem is done. We have solved for T. This next one, we're solving A equals 2 parentheses L plus W for W. So I want to get W by itself. First thing we're going to want to do is clean this up. So I'm going to distribute the 2 in. That will get us A equals 2L plus 2W. Getting the W by itself means we have to get rid of this plus 2L. To get rid of a plus 2L, we're going to subtract 2L from both sides. So now we have A minus 2L equals 2W. We're going to cancel out that 2 in the 2W by dividing by 2. Our final answer is A minus 2L over 2 equals W. Last example is to solve 12x minus 4y equals 20 for y. So we're trying to get y by itself. So first thing I want to do is get rid of this 12x. To get rid of a positive 12x, we are going to subtract 12x from both sides. That will leave us with negative 4y equals 20 minus 12x. Last step is to cancel out that multiplying by negative 4. So we will divide both sides by negative 4 to get our final answer of y equals 20 minus 12x over negative 4. As you can see, when solving literal equations, your final answer is not going to be a nice clean number. You will still have variables and numbers potentially together in the same answer. You may now move on and complete your practice.